Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the watch to 50% or more and power it on. On your phone, install the maker's app and sign in. This simplifies settings and data sync. Once done, turn on Bluetooth and grant location and notification permissions so pairing can proceed. Make sure airplane mode is off and that you're within 3 meters of the watch. These steps remove common blockers and let you move straight to the app-driven pairing flow now. You now open the app and select Add Device or Pair. The app scans and displays the watch name. When a code appears on both screens, confirm it. This verifies you're connecting to the right device. If the app asks to update firmware, accept it. Updates fix bugs and improve accuracy. Make sure both devices stay within a few meters and avoid closing the app. Once the app shows success, sync settings like watch face, notifications, and health permissions so tracking starts correctly. Finish by verifying settings. Enable notifications, heart rate, and activity permissions so the watch collects data and alerts you. Make sure background refresh is allowed so sync runs automatically. If something goes wrong, try this. Remove the watch from the phone's Bluetooth list and the app, restart both devices, then repeat pairing. That clears stale caches and resolves most faults. If you still have trouble, check battery levels and try pairing with another phone to isolate whether the watch or phone is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.